Hey guys, it's Katie and we are kicking off week 3 of the Summer Shape Up series. Hopefully you are feeling stronger and more confident already, and I know it's just gonna get better from here. So today we're gonna do a yoga sculpt for your abs. I love getting abs as much as we can, and the great thing about yoga is you're really strengthening your whole body while you do these exercises, so you get the full body work as well. And if you followed Love Sweat Fitness for a while, or my story and journey, you know that yoga was a huge part of helping me really learn to love my body, get into health and fitness, find my rhythm, and then it's kind of exploded from there. So hopefully you guys will love this workout. If you're ready for it, sweat that thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get started on the mat. All right, you guys, so we're just gonna get right into the workout here. If you wanna warm up into your yoga flow, check out the other yoga videos from last year's Summer Shape Up series. That'll get you really going, and then get right into this. So we're gonna come down into a downward facing dog. And if you really just wanna get into the abs, just start this right here with me. You're gonna lift your right leg up, square your hips off, flex into the foot, lift the heel a little bit higher. You're gonna exhale, shift forward into a high plank, draw that knee in toward the chest. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, shift and draw it in. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, pull it in. Just bringing your shoulders to stack right over your wrists. Inhale. Exhale, pull. 4 more. 3. Good. Find that stretch here. That's a great thing about yoga, is you get the stretch and the work. 1 more. Hold it in. Now bring it over to your right elbow. Drop it down to your wrist. Bring it up and down. Try to keep your hips steady. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, bring it through into a crescent lunge. So your foot stacks, weight into your heel. Square your hips off, squeeze your inner thighs together. Arms up overhead. Exhale, sink a little bit deeper. Maybe a little bend in that left leg. Nice and tall. Exhale, hands to heart. From here, you can follow with Natalie and drop onto your back knee or stay standing. We're gonna work into the core by twisting and open. Twist and in. Good. Your hips stay square to the front. Rotate, twist. Squeeze like you're wringing out a sponge. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center crescent, arms up. Exhale, pivot and plant that back foot down, opening into a warrior 2. So heel to arch alignment. Your back foot nice and flat and parallel. That heel comes right to the midline of that back foot. Exhale, sink deep into this knee. Keep your hips square to the front. Core is tight. Your legs are steady. We're gonna reach to the right, and left. Really working into those obliques. Good. Squeeze that core. Woo! Feeling in those legs too. If it gets too tired, you can always come to standing, but keep moving. Front, good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flip the palms, reverse warrior. And then on your exhale, you're gonna draw that elbow, straighten your front leg, squeeze into the abs, reach back, squeeze it in. Reach back and squeeze. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, turn, plant your hands, step back, downward facing dog. Take an inhale breath, exhale it out. Inhale, lift your left leg high, square your hips off, pull your belly button in, press your chest toward your thighs. Really strong here. Take another inhale. Exhale, shift forward, knee in toward the chest. Inhale, lift and squeeze. Exhale, shift and pull it in. Good. Inhale, exhale. Back and forth. Good. We have 8, 7, 6. Really sculpting and shaping the entire body here. 4, with that focus on the abs, really pull. 3, squeeze. 2, and 1. Hold that high plank. Bring the left knee to the left elbow, drop it to the wrist, up, down, and up. Woo, abs high. down, up. How you girls doing? 4, 3, 2. Last one, lifted up, downward facing dog. Exhale, sweep it through, crescent. Find your foundation first. Square the hips off, squeeze the inner thighs. Arms up overhead. Exhale, sink a little bit deeper, drop to that knee. Hands come to heart. Take an inhale breath. Exhale, twist and center. Twist and center. Woo! Good. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Feel that burn. 3, 2, and 1. Come to center. Inhale, crescent. Coming back onto that back leg. Exhale to warrior 2. Sink deep. Holding strong here. We're gonna reach back, front to back. Good. Legs are nice and strong. Working in the core. You feel those abs working? Back, front, good. Squeeze. Try to imagine your lower body is stuck in cement. So it's just moving from that waistline. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold at center, flip the palm, reach it up. Exhale, draw that elbow and squeeze. Reach, squeeze. This really gets that back fat, bra bulge area too. Good, up, squeeze. 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, warrior 2. Bring it up to a star pose. Exhale to horse. Inhale. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Shake it off. Relax those arms. Take an inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, full drop to your knees. Turning onto your mat, come all the way onto your belly. Just a quick ab stretch here. So exhale, inhale, lift the chest. Keep your lower body on the mat. Drop the weight into your left hip, roll over, looking over the right shoulder. Really getting those obliques to stretch out. And switch. Back to center and a little child's pose, let it go. All right, you guys, as always, you have 3 more rounds for a total of 4 to get that full Yoga Sculpt ab workout in. We're in week 3 of the Summer Shape Up series. If you're not signed up yet, the link is below. It's our free 8-week challenge. This is huge with major grand prizes like a trip to Mexico. So make sure you get signed up and join Team LSF for this incredible challenge. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you next week for another awesome workout. Bye.